Hey guys, today I'm going to show you an app. If you guys have Grand Theft Autos or Grand Theft Auto 5, there's two apps that I really like, and I'm going to show you. So, here's my iPod. Oh wait, I'm going to, oops. Okay, so there's those two apps. You just look up GTA for that one, and then there's GTA 5. They basically have all the codes on them and stuff. Like as you can see, that doesn't. GTA cheats, all of them on there. There's for Xbox and PS3, and they basically have all the cheats. Just look up GTA 5 for that one. This one has all the GTAs, like GTA 1 to 5, and it's a pretty cool app. All you have to do is, that's GTA 5. My screen won't show up, it's a little too bright, but you just go into your app store and you look up GTA and you will find them. You just go into your search. Go into your search and type in GTA cheats, and then you just wait, and there will be 1 out of 44. You will want to get the first one and the second one. If you want any more, some of them are paid. But I suggest the 2 free ones in the front. They're the best. And yeah, so you want to get this one. Try backing up. That doesn't help. So you want to get that one and that one. They're really good. So good luck and have fun playing GTA.